Continue. Let's open. Let's unpouch the last two. Diba, as you can see the other stocks, it's really pretty. Siyang gid oy gamay ra kong gikuha nga dress. Ay, like awesome. Very bad. Ninay lang takay. Kuan, basi magisi na. Lugi ang tindera guys pag magisi na siya. So, let's be careful. This is the white lagi na tanan. See, what is it? Dagan pa ta maabot guys. Kay as in nag-investigate ko everything. A lot. Wala na maubos na ang savings. At least nasa stocks. Uubusin niyo rin naman to guys, diba? Charings. So, ayun na nga. Gaganda. Ang gaganda. Bang. Look at this. It's really colorful. Colorful. Gabong ka siya guys. Oh. Stocks na kong red. Dagang kay red for Christmas. Nagayo pa kayo. Spitaw. Let's open this one. And kailangan po na naka-video guys kay if ever kulang at least ma-refund tag maayo sa supplier. Nag-every kang wala nag video. Oh my god. Wala tayong refund. There's no refund happened. Paita eh. Nag-toothbrush mo ko. Alright. Let me gisik na lang. Hala! Oh my god. Look at this. Look at that. Wait. Oh my god. Nice kayo. Na-amaze ko sa ano. Sa mga color. My favorite color are orange. Look at this one. The design itself. Bang! Kabantay mo itong gamay. Cute kinako guys. And this is the maschada siya quality. Oh my gosh. It's pretty. My god. I only have 3 of this. Ganito dirigi siya guys. Okay. Tulo lang. And katong red ganina, nag-add ko. So 5 plus 5, so 10. Total 10 of the stocks. I have also white of those of that kuan particular design. Wala ko yung nag-open ganina og white, diba? So let me unpouch. Let me show you the design of white. Papagit ko siya guys by. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. I only have 2 ra day akong gikuha siya nga. So those things, since nag-add ko another one, the rest of this is katong nag-add ko 5 pieces. Katong same sa orange. Let me show you again. Ay! Guys, so, look at the fabric. Grabe, kagwapa, guys. Post ko to agad. Kung ano ra pag-post. Ay, ka-perfect. And so many. Ay, katuning ko guys. Short, skirt. Nay ko guys, ngayon gamay ra akong di-order. Look at the skirt. cute kayo siya, diba? Ang denim. Nakabay na mo ani sa kuha. And at least natay isa. Gitry lang ako, guys. And we also have this color. Isa ra. Okay. As in, the try ra ko. Naapod tayo choco. We have choco. Yeah. Look at that. I told you it's really beautiful. Oh my god, it's really beautiful. Now I hot pink, nag-abreak ko. Yon. Napoy hot pink guys sa og naani kanang color. Wait. Tawa guys ang hot pink. Guwapa kay ang pagka hot pink niya guys. Tapos ang nude. Tsada kay iyang tela guys, promise. Like ibayin niyo na agad to. As in agad-agad. Kay limited rin akong stocks. And more siya gayani guys na. Yan. Basta kamo na bahala. Okay. Bye. Next pouch.